for. Alright, people. I'm gonna put this in my ear. Look how little the hole is.
Look at that, you're already bleeding.
Damn!
Damn, dude.
Watch me cry on national television. Bleeding. Fuck.
How far you got in there?
This is for you guys.
Your ear's red, dude.
Ow!
Dude, it's bleeding big time. Oh gosh, dude. I'm so not going home and eating now.
Oh shit!
Dude, I think I can lie sitting there watching my girlfriend give birth.
Alright, you can go now.
I'm alright, I just want to watch this.
I know, you can hold it down.
Holy shit, is that true?
Yeah.
That's a good one.
You guys are too fucking small. There we go. Like it? I love it. Bye.
Look at the back of your ear.
Clean it. Wipe my back of the ear. What's the matter with it?
It's like you can see like the flesh out of it. It's fucking gross, dude.
That's fucking gross.
You can see blood through the clear of it.
Contact can do it.
Bet you it hurts now, don't
Next
it?
one. No, not really.
Not really.
I feel my heart in my ear.